Hello and welcome to Ooni Crafts. In today's sewing tips and tricks for beginners, I'm going to share with you a special trick that's going to help you create professional looking appliques on your Singer heavy duty sewing machine every single time. Let's get started. So normally if you're a beginner and if you're attempting to do an applique for the first time or the first few times, chances are you will be tempted to use the simple straight stitch or a zigzag stitch to finish the edges of your applique. So here I'm going to do a very rough and ready applique using this heart patchwork piece. Right, so here I've deliberately done some very untidy stitches, both with a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch, just to show you what beginner appliques might look like. Your hands might go on and off the edge, and a lot of times we forget that our needle was already in the left position, and then we manage to go further left like I did here, and then when you move back to the right, it's already too late and we've made so many mistakes and it's just too ugly. Now I'm going to show you a special stitch which is within your Singer heavy duty sewing machine. A number of high quality popular brands such as Marks & Spencer, Jules and Boden regularly use this stitch in their appliques. So let me show you what that is. This stitch is called the triple strut stitch, and to select that we have to turn our stitch length selector to the S1 mark. The triple strut stitch looks like 3 parallel straight lines. It goes forward 2 stitches, then it comes back, and then it goes forward 2 stitches again. And when it does that, it goes over the same point 3 times, creating 3 beautiful parallel stitches at the same point. This gives your applique a greater definition and is a lot more forgiving when you are turning corners. So now let's try creating the same heart applique with a triple strut stitch. You can see that with the same amount of effort, the definition on the second applique is a lot more than the first one. Now obviously when you're doing this on actual garments, you will be a lot more slower than I went, so you're not going to get any of these squiggles that I got here. You'll be a lot more slower, a lot more careful. You're going to lock your stitches properly at the beginning, at the end. But really the point of today's exercise was to show you the difference in definition between the triple strut stitch. If I bring it very close, there you go. It's a nice thick line, and a simple straight stitch. So on an applique, when you're wearing it on clothes and stuff, it doesn't really look very nice, as well as the simple zigzag stitch. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you're going to experiment with the triple strut stitch on your Singer heavy duty sewing machine or any other sewing machine that you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.